What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and today is Cool Tool Tuesday. I know a lot of YouTube channels have Cool Tool Tuesday, but I might rename it and say Funky Tool Tuesday. So y'all let me know, Funky Tool Tuesday or Thursdays, and we're just going to get some tools every once in a while, and we can review them Tuesdays, Thursdays, or whatnot. But anyways, so I have this tool, and to let you know that Father's Day is coming soon, as you can see on the email, the thumbnail, that you already know what this is. This is a universal socket, and this goes all the way from 1/4, which is 7 millimeters, all the way to 3/4, which is 19 millimeters. Now, a lot of these get a lot of flack online, and it does get a lot of praise. So we're going to test this out. I think I got this for like 10 bucks, but as you know, I will put the link in the description. What else? Also, I don't know how these do or how well these work with a impact driver. So right now we have our regular driver, DeWalt, oh Lord, sorry, Ryobi. I was just playing with my DeWalt. That's how come I got DeWalt in my head. So we have the universal socket, and we have the socket connector that comes with it. All right, the ball right there. Trying to see if it has the lock in on it. Okay, you guys, so usually with this ball right here, it's usually a little lock-in pin, but on this socket, there is no hole to lock it in. So it is what it is, but it is easy to come off if you want to pull it off. But as far as it locking in, no. So today in this review, we're going to test this socket out. I don't know if I want to put it on an impact driver because I don't know if I want to break this thing. So we have here, we're just going to do a couple tests. I just wanted to show y'all that down here, but right now I have this jack. All right, this is your regular jack that's equipped in most people's cars. I know newer cars don't have spare tires and blah, 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 so you may not have one of these, but some people from a little bit older generation car have one of these in the car. So we're going to see if this universal socket will work with this jack. So let's see. Okay, so it don't go all the way in, but it lifts the jack up, and it brings it back down. We have our jack, and I just want to show y'all. Now this is a 19 millimeter max for the socket. All right. So like I said, it goes in, but it's not going all the way in because the two sides right here is wider. So you still have a good amount to grab these two lifts in case you want to lift up your regular car jack. All right, you guys, so when you're on the highway, most of the time you have to do this. You have to do this. Get one of these universal sockets. Nice and quick, bring it up. This don't go in but like half the tip of my finger. So that may be like a 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch that this goes in. So if you plan on doing something deep, I advise you to get something like this deep socket wise. Don't get something like this with this size and expect it to do imaginary things or impossible things. That's as far in as it goes. See this thread right here? I'm ready to show y'all. That's as far in as this goes. So basically, if I want to take this body off on here, I can. I guess that'll be a blooper, right? Damn. All right. And as you can see, that came off. It's a little bit rough getting off, but it worked. Putting it back on. Okay, you guys, so I think this is a cool tool. You could get this for your father on Father's Day. $10, you can't beat it. That's the cheapest one. They do have expensive ones. I don't know if there's a difference between the pin mechanism here or whatnot between the cheap ones and the expensive ones. But this one is $10. One thing to note, like I said, it don't go that far deep. That's as far as it goes. So you can still see the head of that, right? Well, just a little bit. Now, one last thing. You should, when you screw in, you want to be in the middle or try to aim for the middle. That's the key to this. If you are too far over to the edge, you see when you drill, you see how crooked it goes when you drill? Now, if you try to aim it right in the middle, you see how more straight it is when it's drilling or screwing. Okay, you guys, so we are going to move on to putting these hooks in, which you use to hang flowers, to hang up your bird feeders and stuff like that. So you can put that in here. Let me try to get a little bit straight on that. And then went too far in, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. That head is a little bit smaller. This head is a little bit bigger. There we go. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna show that this tool can do the trick. And that is a bigger head than this one. Okay, you guys, so I forgot to give you the brand name. The brand name is called WETOLS. This is a WETOLS. So that's their own style. And yeah, it's a nice design. These springs spring back pretty good. And that's about it. If you have any other questions, just put it in the comment section. I'll try to get to you within a day or two because I got a lot of stuff going on. Once I leave YouTube and do work. So like, comment, and please subscribe.